We flew just one domestic trip to visit some friends for a milestone birthday, and it was like $2,000 round trip in airfare just for a domestic trip. Because when you're traveling with kids, you don't want the itinerary with 2 stops. You don't want the flight that departs at 5:30 in the morning. This is not going to work. We can't do this if it's going to cost this much every time. There's got to be a better way. Someone in one of my mom groups on Facebook mentioned something about, oh, yeah, like you should really look into points and miles travel. Oh, yeah, I have this City Premier card that I've been using since 2007 that accrues these points that I've just been redeeming on Amazon.
Oh,
I
no.
wonder what else I could be doing with those. And I just went head first down the rabbit hole from there. And just once I realized how much potential there was, I've always been a person who really gets dopamine hits from free stuff.
Yeah.
Even though award travel, as we all know, is not like exactly free stuff, you're always still paying some money. I'm very active in my local buy nothing group, and I like to clip coupons. When I realized that I could apply that approach to travel, it just lit me up. I've been fascinated with the world of credit card rewards and points and miles ever since.
Certainly a way to level up, and maybe that personality or the previous persona of looking to save was an easy transition from couponing or saving money on various items to miles and points. It's a similar mindset, perhaps trying to maximize, trying to find the value, understand the terms, and maximize reward programs.
Yeah, absolutely. When you have kids and when you have a family, there are so many expenses, and it can be really stressful and upsetting sometimes to get an unexpected bill for something that happens, something that breaks, or something a child needs. Not to say that it's not still distressing and upsetting when those things happen, but it really changed the way that I thought about our household expenses. Our household expenses became an asset that I could leverage instead of just this thing that I was battling against.
It's a mindset shift in some cases where people would think of, I only use credit if I need it. Oh, I'm just going to put stuff on a credit card because it's convenient, but they're not looking to optimize the rewards or earn great value on the spending that they're doing anyway.
And it's also really forced me to educate myself on credit and finance and how credit scores work. I was always a person who paid off my credit card bills every month. It wasn't that I was just blindly tanking my credit all the time, but I did not truly understand the factors that went into a credit score and how credit scores work. And I feel like a much more educated consumer of financial products now that I've been in this space. Someone was telling me about a really fabulous resort that they were at. Oh, that sounds great, but what do you mean I have to pay money?
Yeah, how about somewhere else? Can't we just go
Yeah, how
somewhere
about
else?
Hyatt? Can we meet at a Hyatt?